Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Doroboye. So you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually become a boss by selling Jumia products. Or this thing I'm going to show you now, this way is absolutely free. It is zero capital. You don't need to spend anything whatsoever. All you need is your smartphone or a laptop. As you can see, I'm actually showing this on a laptop, but I've reduced it to the size of a mobile phone just to show you that it is very possible to do this on a mobile phone. In fact, do it on a mobile phone. I do it a lot on my mobile phone because mobile phone is always on the move, and as student, as youth, or as anyone in Nigeria, we are always on our mobile phone. So why can't you just use a mobile phone to get more money? Now, Jumia is one of the number one e-commerce website you can come across in Africa, most especially in Nigeria. So let's get started. Now, to become a boss, all you have to do is very simple. Just get a product. You can just get any product that you like or that you think people like, any product. Probably on a mobile phone, like for example, you can just come to like phone upgrade, click on phone upgrade, or search any product, maybe Samsung, any product or whatsoever. So just search for that. For example, I can search for this. So okay, let me search for this now, for this Samsung Galaxy A02. I'm just going to search on that. Then all I have to do is to click on add to cart. So let me increase this a little bit. So on a mobile phone it will be more visible. Okay, let me leave it this way. So all I have to do is just to save the image, and save the image on my phone, then send it on my social media handles. Like I can send it on my social media handles like my Facebook, even my WhatsApp or Instagram, or better still, to make it more professional, all you have to do is just to create a Facebook page, a Facebook group. I would advise you to create group, not page. So like as you can see here, let me increase this a little bit bigger. Alright, as you can see here, I actually create a Facebook group. As you can see, this is a group, a Facebook group whereby I post all the products. I just post common products, product I believe that people actually need. So you can choose to upload any product. Just all you have to do is just come to Jumia. Like for example, this phone, just take in the name, copy the name, then come to your either your WhatsApp status, or you can actually create a Facebook group like this. So this is a Facebook group that has about 450. So I created this about a week ago. So I'll be on this for about a week ago, and I'm making good sales. That's why I'm trying to introduce you to this opportunity. At least everybody have to make money. Yes, without, so the thing is zero also. You don't have to struggle a lot just to make money. And the thing is zero capital. That's what I love about it. As you can see, all I have to do is just to put in the name of the product. All these images, I actually downloaded them from WhatsApp itself, from Jumia itself. Then I put in the price. Please put in the price, the exact price. Except if you want to do drop shipping with Jumia, then you might increase the price just a little bit. Then in doing drop shipping, when you put in the price, then your customer will just have to pay that price. But the thing there is that when customer pay you the price, the product will be delivered to you. Then you have to divide to the customer, and I think that is a little bit tedious. But with this platform, this JForce platform, as you can see, I just started this month about 2 weeks ago, and I have sell something about 68,200, and so my commission will be calculated and go to appear here after a little while. Okay, this is very easy, and without you quitting your job as a student, without you necessarily begin to hustle, just post any Jumia product that you think is selling, maybe mobile phones, clothes, jewelries, cream, anything you want is on Jumia. Wow, so anything you want, just post it. Just pick the pick the name, pick the amount, then the images. You can just put in some small details like product details. So I'm going to put this Facebook group link. I'm going to make it available on the description box below. So just click on it, and you can just go through it and see how I am doing things here. Most times you see people not commenting on any of your posts. But let me tell you this, most of them, they come to come to my what do call it, my message. As you can see, I'm going to also, okay, after a little while I'm going to show you something more important. All right, so now whenever you have uploaded your images or uploaded your images, the name, like this is the full. Let me just show you also. This is what I uploaded for this. I tell I uploaded the name, the amount, and I say message me to place order, and I put just a little bit of the provide a little bit of the details. Then after I did that, I just have to come to I have to click on this icon, so you can see edit post. But instead of you clicking on edit post, just click on list in more places. So when you click on list in more places, it's going to give you opportunity to list it on Facebook Marketplace, like Facebook Market page, because I've already listed this one on Facebook Market page. That's why it's not showing me. So you're able to see it, and you also show some of the buy and selling groups that it belongs to. All you have to do is just to post it on Facebook Market page. So everybody on Facebook all over Nigeria, they will see it, or perhaps the people in Lagos. It depends on your location. Lagos or Nigeria, they will see it and they will message you. But let me tell you, sometimes people may be very funny, but nevertheless, you see good people. At least I have people that are very regular with me, that are just any product they see on Jumia, they make me they inform me. All I have to do is just to give them the name and the amount. I don't add any amount to it, so it's just the way they want it, just the way Jumia says the amount is. That's how I just tell them. But Jumia pay me discount. Like I have a commission on any of the product I sell. Any product I sell, I have a commission. Like now, this is the 8,200. This is not my money. I have to be frank. So this is the product I've sold in the past like a week time. I've sold. I'm not really total 100% committed to this. So for just a little while, I've sold this, and my commission will be calculated. It's going to be calculated after some like for 7 to 14 days, and it's going to appear here. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, how can you be part of this? It's very easy. I'm going to leave this form in the description box below. Okay, I'm going to leave this form in the description box below. All you have to do is just to fill in the form. So when you fill in the form, I will get your details, these details here, and I'm going to add you to my team. In my team, I'm going to train you on the step-by-step approach on how you can do and how you can become your own boss on Jumia at a zero capital. Let me tell you this is absolutely free on my own part. So I'm not going to bill you for any amount whatsoever. So be 100% sure. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put this link. I'm going to make it available in the description box below. Similarly, I'm going to put this Facebook group in the description box below, so you can just go through it and see how things is. So let me say this again. This is totally a way to be your boss on your own, and you know that Jumia is well known all over the world. Sometimes when someone come and tell them I'm a sales consultant on Jumia, instantly they begin to trust me because they know that Jumia is worldwide known. So to become a sales consultant on Jumia and become your own boss, just fill in this form. So, and I'm going to add you to my team, give you the necessary training you need. So I'll be available to answer every of your questions. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Danade Oboye. I believe you like this video. Please just don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be putting in more videos on how you can make money as a student, as a youth, as a working class. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, please like and comment below, and please fill in this form, and you're on your way to become a boss on Jumia with a zero capital. Thank you so much.